But it's Jayco. This is not original Jayco, right? Is it fake Jayco? Yeah? But it's original or fake Jayco? It's not Jayco. I will get it and find it out if it's real Jayco or not. Let's do it. How much is one box? Is it real Jayco or not? You buy it from Jayco? Is it real Jayco or not? Yeah, me. But it's not real, right? Also, you don't find Dunkin' Donuts here on the street. Can I see them? Yeah, can I? Also buy one? Can I?
Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, good evening. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Hello, good evening, Antu. Wow. Hello. Good evening, Antu. Welcome, welcome again. Welcome
Good
again to
evening,
our
stories.
class for today. So I am still your
Evening
teacher.
stories ng
My
ulit.
name is Teacher Iris. So for our lesson for today, so Antu, we will talk about pets. Okay, so for our lesson for today, Antu, so we will talk about pets. So when we say pets, so these are our animal friends.
Yes.
Yes. So when we say pets, so these are our animal friends that we take care and love. Yes, so this, wow, very good. So this will be our lesson for today. So let's say pets.
Pet.
Very good. So now let us find out what are these animals. So let's go to the next page. Okay, let's look at the first picture and two. What animal is this? This is, let's say this is a dog.
Dog.
Very good. So this, our first animal is a dog. Next.
The dog.
Good job. Next one, let's say bird. Mhm. Our second animal is bird. Let's say bird, bird, bird.
Papa.
Very good. So our next animal, so next animal will be, let's see, what animal is this? This is, we call it cat.
Cat.
Cat. One more time, let's say cat.
Cat.
Very good. Next animal, we call this animal as bunny.
Bunny.
Very good. So this is a bunny. So next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Catty.
This is
Cat.
a gold.
Catty.
Yes, very
Dodo.
goldfish.
Dodo. Trophy.
Goldfish. Very good. Wow, good job. And two. So this is a goldfish. So next, what animal is this?
Hamster.
Wow, very good. Good job. So this is a hamster. Next, how about this one? What animal is this? This is a turtle.
Tortoise.
Wow, good job. Very good. So this is a turtle. How about this one? What animal is this?
Tool.
This is, let's say, mouse.
Wow.
Mouse, very good. So these are the animals that we call as pets. So
Pet.
this, yes,
Pet.
pets. Very good. So now let's go to our first animal. Let's say the cat.
Cat.
Very good. So what animal is this, Antu?
Cat.
Very good. So do you have a cat? Yes or no?
That or no?
Do you have,
No.
no, you don't have a cat. So let's say, no, I don't have a cat. Let's say, no, I don't have a cat. Okay, next. Let's go to our next pet animal. Let's say the dog.
Dog.
Very good. So let's look at the picture. This is the
A
dog.
dog.
Very good. Do you have a dog? Yes or no?
No.
No. Let's say no, I don't.
No.
I don't. Very good. Next, what animal is this, Antu? This is this is the
Good.
bunny.
Honey.
Let's say bunny. Bunny. Yes. So
Honey.
in the picture, this animal is a bunny. So it is a small rabbit and it eats carrots. Okay. So it is one of the pet animals. Next one. What animal is this? This is the
Pig.
the
Pig.
bird.
Purr.
Very good. So what animal is this, Antu? This is the bird. Let's say the bird.
Purse.
Very good. Good job. How about this one? What animal is
Jar.
goldfish? Let's say goldfish.
Jeez.
Very good. So look at this animal. So this is a goldfish because it is color gold. That's why is it called as a goldfish. It is a kind of fish that we have as pets in our houses. So most of the people they have goldfish in their home. Okay? So next, what animal is this?
Bird.
Very good. Wow, let's see. The mouse.
Mouse.
Good job. So this animal is a mouse. So a mouse is a small animal.
Mouse.
Yes, it is a small animal with a long, so it has a long tail. Okay, so next, let's go to our next animal or next pet animal. What animal is this? This is the
Turtle.
turtle. Okay.
Turtle.
Wow, very good. One more time, let's say turtle.
Turtle.
Good job, very good. So this animal is a turtle. So most people, so they have this pet in their homes. Okay, so this is a slow animal that has a hard shell. So it has a hard shell. Okay, so next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Hamster.
Hamster, very good. So do you have a hamster? Yes or no?
No.
I know you don't have. Okay. So this is the hamster. So a hamster is a tiny pet and they like to run on wheels and they like to store food in their cheeks. So this is a hamster. So next, let us answer the animals and look if you remember those animals. Okay, let's look at the first picture.
Dog. Dog.
Very good. Wow, this is a dog. How about our next picture?
Pig.
Bird. Very good. One more time. Let's say bird.
Pig.
Good job. Very good. And two. Next, what animals
Cat.
is?
Cat.
Wow, very good. Let's say cat. Cat. One more time. Ka, cat.
Cat.
Good job. Next animal. What animal is
Car.
this?
Bird.
Is ba
Mar.
ra
Mar.
ra
Ra.
rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Very good. So this is a rabbit, or we call it bunny. Next, what animal is this?
Fish.
Fish. Very good. So this is a gold fish.
Fish.
Good job, and two.
Fish.
So next, what animal is this?
Hamster.
Hamster. Very good. So this is a hamster.
Hamster.
Next animal. What animal has a hard shell? This
Sure.
very good. Wow, this is, let's say, turtle.
Turtle.
Good job. Very good. So this is a turtle. How about this one? Our last animal.
Turtle.
This is, let's say, mouse.
Wow. Wow.
Mouse. Wow, very good. Very good. And two, for this activity, I can see that you really understood our pet animals. So now let us go to our next page and find out what animal is this.
Tree.
This is a
Tree.
bird.
Bird.
Okay, let's say I see a
Purple.
bird on the, let,
Purple.
let's say I see
Purple.
a bird on the, let's read. I see a bird on the,
It is a bird.
on
The
tree.
tree.
Very good. Good job. Next, what animal are this? These are goldfish. Okay, now let's read our sentence. Let's say goldfish. Let's read. Goldfish are swimming in the tank. Okay, let's read. Goldfish are swimming in the tank. Okay, so these are goldfish. So next. Okay, what animals are this and two? This one. What animal is this? This is a rabbit. And this is a turtle. Are you there? Okay, now let's read our sentence. Let's say the turtle run Hello there, Antu. Okay, so now let's go back to our lesson. So, Antu, what animals are this? This is a
Bird.
rabbit. Let's say rabbit.
Pig. Rabbit.
Turtle.
Turtle. Rabbit.
There.
Turtle.
Very good. So let's read. The turtle runs. Let's read. The turtle runs faster.
The turtle. No.
Can you hear teacher? Yes? Okay, let's read. The turtle runs faster than a rabbit.
Rabbit.
Okay, so for this one and two, since we have started late for our lesson for today, so since we do not have time, so this will be the end of our lesson for today. So teacher suggests that you practice reading sentences, okay? Okay, Antu. Okay. So good job for this lesson, Antu. I can see that you really understood our pet animals. However, since you arrived late, so we do not have much time, so we will end our lesson. Okay. So for this one, um, see you again soon, Antu, and bye-bye. So I will now
Bye
go to your
bye.
brother.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Wait, okay. I will go to your